So good morning friends, welcome to PD classes, a very important session all those who are preparing for IBPS PO. Students, I hope these questions will be very fruitful. So in front of me Pratibha Sachdeva, right?
Yes sir.
So Pratibha, मैं मिलाना चाहूँगा आपको चेष्टा से. She is also going for IBPS PO. आप हमारे स्टूडेंट से मिले थे मिस्टर चेतन से, नासिक से जो आया था. He has also gone for IBPS PO. And now comes the small boy. He has come to us for RIMC.
Okay.
ये भी आपके इंटरव्यू में पार्टिसिपेट करेंगे. ये हमारे पास उत्तराखंड से आए हैं तैयारी करने के लिए for 7 days. Okay?
Good.
एंड प्रतिभा सबसे पहले हम जानना चाहेंगे आपके बारे में. प्लीज इंट्रोड्यूस योरसेल्फ.
So I'm Pratibha Sachdeva and I belong to Sri Ganganagar. I have completed my graduation in mathematics from Maharaja Ganga Singh University.
ओके.
Yes sir.
सो हमारे यहाँ पर जो स्टेट वाइज जो पर्सन है, आप राजस्थान से हो, ये
Yes,
पंजाब
sir.
से अपनी एजुकेशन कर रहा है, इन्होंने उत्तराखंड से किया है. सो हम चाहेंगे आपसे जानना कि व्हाट परसेंटेज यू स्कोर्ड इन योर 10th स्टैंडर्ड.
So I scored 10 CGPA, 95%.
ग्रेट.
Yes,
एंड
sir.
12th स्टैंडर्ड.
84%.
ऑसम. एंड व्हाट अबाउट ग्रेजुएशन.
Graduation 80%.
दैट्स ग्रेट. शी इज हैविंग एक्सीलेंट स्कोरिंग्स.
Sir.
ओके. सो मैथ्स इज योर फेवरेट, यू स्टेटेड.
Yes sir.
ओके. व्हाट आर योर हॉबीज.
So my hobbies are listening music and watching the inspirational stuff on YouTube, reading books.
Very good. So what do you learn from those inspirational stuffs?
So those inspirational stuffs motivate me when I feel like down, when I feel negative. Yeah, that they
Okay.
motivate me to do more, to study hard. That.
Okay. See, now you are coming for IBPS PO. Definitely, it is my duty to ask some banking questions to
Yes,
you
sir.
also. So can you tell me about the word CRR? What does it mean?
So CRR, cash reserve ratio, it is the minimum amount which the banks they have to keep with the RBI. Presently, it is 4%.
Okay. What is repo rate?
Repo rate, it is the rate charged by the RBI from the banks when they give them short-term loans. It is from 2 to 15 days.
That's great. Chester, you are also going for IBPS PO. So what about SLR? कितनी चल रही है इस समय?
Presently SLR is 18.5%.
Okay. What is the benefit of SLR? क्या फायदे क्या है SLR के?
It prevents bank from solvency
1 point. Agree.
and also to increase their credit.
Yes, to control their credits.
Control their credits.
Wonderful, wonderful. Good. Okay, yes, so you can also ask questions, Mr.
Tell me something about your family.
There are 4 members in my family. My father is a government employee, my mother is a government teacher, and my brother, younger brother, he is studying in IIT, he is pursuing the BTech.
Good. And what is your father?
My father is a government employee in employment office.
Oh, employment office. So
Yes,
don't you
sir.
think that you should also make their aim in that sector?
So no doubt that is a good job, but presently I am interested more in this sector as it is a potential sector and I can explore my capabilities in this sector more efficiently than any of the other sector.
Okay. Why you opted banking only as your career? What is the reason?
So banking, it provides me security, it
Okay.
provides me social respect for middle class girl like me.
Okay.
It have monetary aspect, so that's why I'm secure in that sector.
Agree.
And also I can explore my capabilities more in this sector since it is a very growing sector also. That's why I want to go in this sector.
Yes, Chester, you can have also your questions, please.
Okay, so why should we choose only you?
Ma'am, presently, although I cannot judge others, but I can assure you about myself that I am very determined and dedicated person. If you select me, I would justify your selection and I would work sincerely and honestly towards my.
Okay. Now I'm giving chance to Charanjot also. He want to ask question.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
Charanjot, you can also ask question.
What are your strengths?
My strengths are that I am a smart worker, I am creative, and I am sincere, dedicated towards my work. Determined also.
Okay.
Yes,
You
sir.
know banking job is not a bed of roses. It is
Yes,
little having hectic schedules.
Yes, sir.
So can you adjust?
Yes, sir, definitely I can.
How?
So I'm very hard worker. Like for the preparation, I spend many of the hours, like 8 to 10 hours. I spend studying, so I don't have any problem. And I also have a hectic schedule, like preparing for that, so I don't have any problem in this.
Very
Also,
good.
it will prevent me from rusting. Also, it's daily routines, so that's why.
Okay.
Yeah.
Who is your ideal of life?
So my ideal is Mr. APJ Abdul Kalam.
That's great.
Yes.
So you stated me in your interview, Charan, that your ideal is also Mr. APJ only.
Yes, sir.
And your ideal of life?
Mary Kom.
Mary Kom. What is the complete name of late Shri Abdul Kalam ji?
Sir, the full name of APJ Abdul Kalam is Abul Pakir Jalal Abdin Abdul Kalam.
That's great. And can you tell me something about Mary Kom also?
Yes, sir. Mary Kom belongs to a poor family of Manipur. She
Okay.
is 6-time record holder and she is the only Indian to do so.
Okay. What are the qualities required to be a successful probationary officer? क्या qualities होनी चाहिए?
Okay. So to be a successful probationary officer, one should be have a good strategy. Should be observation skills should be good,
Okay.
and he should inspire the juniors towards working for the benefit of the bank. Should
Right.
be a good learner. Should learn during the training all about the banking works, like doing all the works,
Okay.
passing the check and etc. You should be great in
Wonderful. You know that you are supposed to come to Chandigarh for this interview?
that. Yes, sir.
Okay. So definitely the chances are they can ask you about even Punjab,
Yes,
since
sir.
you belong to Rajasthan.
Yes, sir.
So can you tell me something little bit about Punjab also?
So Punjab is the neighboring state of Rajasthan only, and its capital is Chandigarh, and it is located in 5,362 square kilometer area. And the specialities about Punjab is Amritsar's Golden Temple, Jallianwala Bagh.
Okay. See, I think it is your second day of PD classes.
Yes, sir.
Yesterday you came to us,
Yes,
and this
sir.
is your second day.
Yes.
So how are you feeling at PD classes?
So I'm feeling very good. I'm feeling confident.
Okay.
Yeah.
Your friend has also got educated from us only.
Yes, sir.
And she has also got success
Yes, sir.
in as a
As
PO.
a PO, yeah.
So from her only you came to know about PD classes.
Yes, sir.
So in this second day, what changes you have felt? Hardly 2 days. आज तो second day तो 1 day हुआ अभी तक. तो आपको
Yes,
कैसे
sir.
changes मिले अभी तक अपने
So
अंदर?
I'm feeling very positive. Like I was very nervous yesterday, and
Okay.
now I'm feeling like I'm very positive, very
Okay.
confident.
See, people are having a dilemma कि 7 दिन में यार कैसे possible होगा? 7 दिन में मैं कैसे develop
sir.
होऊंगा? तो
Yes,
आपकी
sir.
क्या राय है?
So if I'm feeling this on the second day, then obviously after 7 days I would feel like very so great and
Wonderful,
ready for
wonderful.
the interview.
चलिए मुझे check और draft में difference बताइए.
So check, it is postpaid,
Okay.
and draft it is prepaid.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So, what do you think? Like, which is more safer, draft or check?
So both they are equal.
No, if we compare, then I believe draft is more safe because check can be bounced.
Yeah, that
Okay.
check can be bounced.
Yes,
yeah.
yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. You stated that you have done your graduation.
Yes,
Why
sir.
don't you further study like MSc and all others? You are very good in studies.
Yes,
You
sir.
stated you scored 80%.
Yes, sir.
Very good. So why don't you go with MSc and other
So
courses?
right now I want to make my career in banking sector, as
Okay.
I'm more interested towards this sector.
Okay. Yes, Chester, you can have your question, please.
What is your aim in life?
My aim in life is to be a banking officer.
And what is your next 5-year plan of life?
My 5-year plan would to see me growing in this sector.
Okay. So you want to remain in this sector itself?
Yes, sir.
Okay. See, there are so many people those who are waiting for the same job.
Yes, sir.
So why should we select only Pratibha? There may be 2-3 other Pratibhas waiting for the same job. Why should we select only you?
So presently I can't say about others. I
Okay.
can't judge them.
Right.
But I can assure you about myself that I'll be very dedicated. I'll work with very sincerity, with honestly towards my work.
Oh, that's good. What is your happiest moment of life?
So recent happiest moment was when I got selected in the mains,
Okay.
and my next happiest moment is in your hands.
Oh, thank you. That's great. Yes, Charanjit, you want to ask anything?
Yes, sir.
Please.
Tell me something about APJ Abdul Kalam.
APJ Abdul Kalam was the 11th president of India, and his simple living and great thinking motivated me a lot. He was very hardworking. Like from the childhood, he started selling newspapers to feed his family, and his autobiography Wings of Fire is very popular.
Okay.
He was also known as the Missile Man of India.
Right.
Yeah.
See, for banking job, you are supposed to leave your home.
Yes, sir.
So, can you adjust everywhere? Can you live anywhere of part of India?
Yes, sir, definitely I can, as there are many facilities like PGs, etc. They are available, and
But you
also
haven't
I
stayed
have.
out of your home till yet?
Yeah, I can't. I have not stayed, but I can adjust. My nature is very adjusting. I can adjust in any of the
Okay.
cities.
So, here you can even state, sir, I'm very versatile in nature, and for me, Kashmir to Kanyakumari is same.
Okay.
And I don't have homesickness at all. No nostalgic
Okay.
feelings
Yeah.
in me. So, this is the only reason, sir, I can easily adjust. And I know, sir, professionally, if I am supposed to leave my home to make my career.
Okay, sir.
Right? It is good that you are ready to go for. Yes?
Yes, sir.
Okay, what do you mean by the word bank rate?
So bank rate, it is the rate at which the RBI they give the loan to the banking.
Okay, what is the difference
for a
between
long
bank
term.
rate and repo rate?
So repo rate is for a short term period,
Okay.
like it is for 2 to 15 days, and bank rate is for 180 days.
Okay. Can you tell me the benefits of Aadhaar card in our life?
So the Aadhaar card is used as a identification proof
Agree.
everywhere. We can use it,
Okay.
and also recently it has been like used as a PAN card also.
No,
No.
it can't. But one good thing you have stated that it is our identity.
Yes,
So
sir.
it helps us to prevent our nation from intrusion, घुसपैठ,
Yes.
and other than that, terrorism.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
So lot many other benefits are also there. Within 10 days, you can now make your passport if it is an emergency. If you are having your Aadhaar card, and so many other benefits you are getting.
Yes, sir.
Even it is good for the financial inclusion, which is a very important part, जिसे हम वित्तीय समावेतन बोलते हैं.
Okay.
तो that is very necessary. आज
Yes,
बैंक
sir.
क्या कर रही है, वित्तीय समावेतन के अंदर जा रही है, फाइनेंशियल
Yes,
इंक्लूजन. ओके, वंडरफुल, यू हैव स्टेटेड वेरी वेल. क्या लगता है चेस्टा? शी इज आंसरिंग गुड विद द वेरी सेकंड डे. ओके, शी इज ट्राइंग हर बेस्ट. इनको जब नॉलेज और अच्छा हो जाएगा तो वी विल गो इन डेप्थ एंड आस्क हर
Yes, sir.
number of questions. Okay, so I hope that these many questions are enough from the candidate. Okay, so now my last question to you. Can you expect what would be my last question?
So आप बैंक कब ज्वाइन कर रहे हो?
नहीं.
So you said this was your last question.
Oh my God. So I hope that I can't speak anymore and you are right at your angle. Okay.
Yes,
So
sir.
सिर्फ मेरे पास एक ही चीज रह गई है, आपको बेस्ट विशेस देने की, और हमारे पास अभी 5 दिन है, राइट?
Yes,
आज
sir.
सेकंड डे चल रहा है.
Yes, sir.
5 दिन के तो हम मिरेकल कर देंगे, राइट? बेस्ट ऑफ लक.
Definitely. Thank you.